I'm going to start off here at the W3 Schools homepage, and the W3 Schools site has a large amount of web-based technologies to take a look at, and you will be doing that throughout the semester at different points. Here we're going to start off with HTML. And if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see some basic tags. So we see the open HTML, the open body, an H1 tag, a paragraph tag, closed body, and closed HTML. The Try It Yourself feature allows us to take a look at these tags on the left-hand side, and then the way they are rendered in the browser, in a simulated browser, on the right-hand side. So you'll see the two items of content, my first heading and my first paragraph, over there on the right-hand side. If we change this heading tag from an H1 to an H3, and also change the close tag to an H3, and then click the Edit and Click Me button, we'll see that change rendered in the browser on the right-hand side. So you'll see that the H3 tag formats our font a little bit smaller than the H1 tag. Down below we see the paragraph tag. It also has some default formatting, and both of them provide a line break and a blank line after them. If we add another line, literally, and render it in the browser, you will see that we get another line with a line in between it and the line above. Just to see what's going on here, let's add one more line. Render it in the browser. And what we see is that it ends up on the same line, even though we hit our Enter key. The browser only understands tags. It doesn't understand anything else that we put in our text editor. It will understand a single space. For example, if I add 2 or a couple spaces here and pick Edit and Click Me, we don't see it show up because it will only implement one space unless we hard code it with a symbolic methodology that will force a space. The way we can put our line break in is with the single-sided tag BR. Single-sided tags have the open and close all in one tag because they don't represent or surround any content. So if I once again click the Edit and Click Me button, now I see it does go to another line. So we can implement a line break, but it won't happen automatically because we hit our Enter key. Another single-sided tag is the horizontal rule line, which is the HR tag. And if we check that out, we'll see a line go across the screen. And one more tag, the anchor tag, which is the hyperlink reference tag. We have one attribute here. This is the first time we're looking at an attribute. And an attribute means that the tag needs some more information in order to be able to perform its functionality. So the anchor tag has a hyperlink reference attribute where we put a fully qualified URL, meaning it includes the protocol. Usually we copy and paste these so we don't have a chance to make mistakes. We'll see how this goes. And that fully referenced tag is also in double quotes. And then I have a close anchor tag. So to make this a little clearer, I can hit my Enter key because the browser is going to ignore it anyway. So there's the open anchor or A tag, our URL that we wanted to go to when we click the words click here, and assuming I don't have any errors, we see the hyperlink. And then when we click on the hyperlink, there's our web page rendered over there on the right hand side of the screen.